Managing a data in a shared Excel file is a recipe for disaster. Multiple people editing at once leads to file is locked, errors, accidental deletion, version control, all these nightmares can happen. Okay. So what you can do by moving this kind of data to a SharePoint list, if you do this, you can gain simultaneous editing, no more locked files. You can also do the row level security once you converted this table into a Excel Excel table into a SharePoint list. You can also apply the row level securities, and there are a lot many features that you can you utilize when you are converting this to a SharePoint list. Okay, so the solution is very simple. It is if you go to your SharePoint. So this is my SharePoint list. I'll come to this site contents and click on new list. Now you can see there are multiple options. There are some templates. You can start from different layouts. I'll choose this one, import from Excel. Then I'll start upload the file which I want to do. That is my KPI submissions table. So Excel table is now visualized inside SharePoint. I can see all the columns are mapped into the new SharePoint columns that is going to get created. So submission ID is mapped to title, submission date is not in the proper date format, so it is showing like single line of text. I can try to change it to date, but there is no option. But this one I can leave it as single line of text, no problem. And you can see uh, this is single line text, and this is number. This automatically mapped many things. Okay, that is good. Then I click next. This is going to suggest the list name. I'll keep as it is and click create. So the column types ensure the column types are mapped properly in the same metadata you're expecting, else you can change it later. Okay, so now the Excel has now transformed into a SharePoint list. Okay, so once you have this in a SharePoint, it will be very easy. You can directly use it as a common platform and share it with multiple users to edit at once, and you can do row level security, everything you can do. And just like that, your static data is live in a collaborative tool. If this has helped your workflow, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.